Hello, how are you? This is Teacher Martin. Today we have a recording on body parts. Apologies for any noise in this recording. We are still working to our best to get the best recording equipment. God bless you as you listen. The first word that we have in the body part lesson is ikai. Ikai, ikai, and the plural form of it is makai, makai, that is sheets. Ikai, makai, ikai, makai. Let's go to the next one. Kereru, 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 kereru. And the plural form of it is ireru, ireru, shin, shin, kereru, ireru, kereru, ireru. We go to the next one. Goto, goto, and the plural form of it mato, 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 goto, mato. The next one is rido, rido, maido, rido, maido, eyes, rido, maido, rido, maido, maido. The next one is rofutu, 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 and the plural form of it is butu. So there's a Kikuyu idiom that says kai otare rofutu, kai otare rofutu. So the idiom basically means, are you not sensitive? Are you not sensitive about your life? This is a word that would be used by many parents when they are admonishing their ruddy teens or ruddy kids. So they would ask them, we kai otare rofutu, kai otare rofutu. Let's go to the next. Odio, odio, and the plural is thio, face. Odio wakwa, my face. Odio, odio. Next, keni, keni, gum. Keni, nidiraturwo ne keni, nidiraturwo ne keni. My gum are aching. Keni giakwa nikiroira thakame, keni giakwa nikiraura thakame. My gum is bleeding. Keni giakwa nikiraura thakame. My gum is bleeding. Keni, gum. Keni, gum. Then we go to the next. Roshuere, roshuere, a strand of hair. And in plural is juere, hair, hair. In singular form is roshuere, and then in plural is juere. Then we have the head itself. Keogo, 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 and the plural is shiongo. And some people will still use another word similar to all this, motwe, and the plural form of that one is metwe, motwe, metwe. Let's go to the next. Moromo, moromo, the singular form. Ignore what is written there. The singular form is mo, moromo, 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 and the plural form of it is meromo, lips. Okay, meromo, moromo, meromo. Then we have another one here for the most taken, all the other hair that grows on men and some women, yeah, on the face. All those are called deru, but the singular form of it is roteru, and we find some people called gateru. Gateru basically means a small strand of maosti. We go to the next. Kanua, and the plural form of it is tonua, mouths. Higa kanua kau. If somebody says that, they are admonishing you, telling you, shut up your beak or shut up your mouth, whatever. Yeah. Higa kanua kana tumia. Somebody can simply say, sorry for that. Somebody can simply say, tumia, shut up. Then you have to go to the nose. Nose is inioro, and the plural form of it is manioro. Let's go to the next. Igego, tooth, and the plural form of it is magego, teeth. We go to the next. Roreme, and the plural form of it is deme, tongue. So I would like to know, what other things would you like to learn with Teacher Martin? And also, I advise you to visit kikuyu.cotamkenya.com, or basically go to my latest site, ukweli.com, and find more of my work that I do. So may God bless you, and to support this work, you can always use the M-Pesa number 254-718-317. Okay, did I say it correctly? Basically it is 0718-317-877. Or if you're outside Kenya, you need to include the country code, which is 254-718-317-877. And if you want to use the Lipa na M-Pesa, you can always pay to till number 534-72-79. Feel free to support this work so that we can get better equipment to continue growing this great and wonderful Kikuyu language. And also visit my portal there, ukweli.com, to learn more of what I do. And actually there you also find an app that will help you to learn Kikuyu more effectively at your own pace. And if you want personalized classes, feel free to reach me on WhatsApp via call. We can always do virtual classes and also physical classes for those who are allowed in Nairobi. So may God bless you too so much for learning Kikuyu with me, and continue suggesting new things that you want to learn in the Kikuyu language. Thank you for your input, and God bless you. Bye bye for now. Thank you.